እንዴት ናችሁ?
አለም በቪዲዮ አርጊው።
አንተ ትልቅ no, I can't do that. I'm working.
I thought you are not working today.
No, I work from home. I work from home. I haven't been meeting in 10 minutes.
Oh, really?
What do you mean?
You do have that.
What do you mean? Wait. What do you mean I don't work? How do you know?
No, she told me you are in another state. She's thinking, why you got attitude with me? I don't do nothing to you.
Come on. Daisy, you know we're not, I'm not another state, you know that. Why you not telling the truth?
No, we're from Arizona, right? But I told him you're here. That's what I told him.
Okay. Yeah, there's misunderstanding now. So, you know, ትላንት the same time አንድ ሩም ውስጥ ሆነን ላይቭ ገብተናል ነበር እንዴ? አልጋው ላይ
ጥያቄው ምንድነው? ጥያቄው ምንድነው? በመጀመሪያ ደረጃ አንቺና እሷ ይጋ ቢፍ ፎር ሰም ሪዝን ፓስፖርቷ ትላንትና ነው የጠፋው
እና አንተ ጋር ሎስት ኤንድ ፋውንድ እንትን ኦፊስ ነው። ፓስፖርት ሲጠፋብን ፖሊስ ጋር ሄደን ነው ሪፖርት የምናደርገው። እኔ ጋር አይደለም ሪፖርት የሚደረገው። እኔም
ሪፖርት አልተደረገም። ኦል ኦፍ ሰደን ትላንትና ነው። ምንድነው አቲቲዩድ ይዘሽ የመጣሽው?
አቲቲዩድ አይደለም አምወርኪን
ላይ ምንድነው ያዙኝ ከጓያ
No, I respect you. That's why I accepted you. You know?
No, we were waiting for a long time.
No, I have over 20 requests መጥቶልኝ አንተን ብቻ ጋር ነው የመጣሁት። እሺ እሱን አልሪስፔክት
ነገርሽ ነው። ሂጂ ሌላ ቦታ መሄድ ትችያለሽ ከፈለግሽ።
ቲናዬ ቆይ አንዴ ዮኒ እኛ አሁን ቲናዬ ሰላም እንዲወርድ ነው ፕሊዝ። እሺ እሱም እየጠበቀሽ ነበረ። ይሄ ሁሉ ህዝብ ቁጭ ብለን እኔም እንቅልፍ ሳልተኛ ሌሊቱን ዮኒም ሳይተኛ ቁጭ ብለን ሰላም እንዲወርድ ነው። በቃ
ዳኛው needs to calm down first. አንዴ ስኬር ካደረጋችሁኝ ይወጣልኝ። I don't have to explain my life. This is my life, my daughter and my life. I don't need to bring it to outside.
No, ልጅሽማ አንቺ መፍትሄ ስላልሰጠሻት ነው እኛ ጋር የመጣች።
Oh, really? After 21 years አንተ ጋር መጣች? እሺ እና what's wrong with Daisy? Daisy, you know I love you.
Listen to me please. እኔ ላውራ አንድ ጊዜ ዮኒ ቁጭ ብሎ ዮኒ እስካሁን ድረስ እሷን ራሱ ዴዚን ራሱ በጣም እንትን እያላት ነበረ። እናትሽ ማክበር አለበት ልጁም ላንቺ he's got your back በጣም ብዙ ሲያወራልሽ ነበረ። እና አሁን መተሽ ፕሊዝ እንደ ሚስ አንደርስታንዲንግ ሊሆን ይችላል። he's got your back አሁን እሱ የሚፈልገው እኔም የምፈልገው ሁላችንም ሰላም እንዲመጣ ነው። at the end of the day you are you know እናትና ልጅ ናችሁ። ስለዚህ ጀንወን የሆነ ነገር ነው ይዘን የመጣ ነው። ሰላም እንዲወርድ ነው። እዚህ ጋር ያንቺን ጎራ ይዘው የእሷን እንትን ብለው ከዘርም ጋር ሊያገናኙት የሚፈልጉ ብዙ ሰዎች አሉ። ስለዚህ at the end of the day you guys are family. Let's fix this.
I know
እና በጥሩ መንፈስ ነው እና ይኸውልሽ እዚህ ጋር ጥሩ ነገር ይዞ የመጣው። ስለዚህ እኛም ደግሞ ያንን ነው የምንፈልገው። እሺ
no problem። ግን ይሄ እኮ የኔና የሷ ፋሚሊ ኢሹ ነው። ብዙ ነገር ቤታችን ነው የሚፈጣው። ለምን ራሻ
አክስትሽም አውርቻታለሁ። የእሷን አክስቷን ሳውራት ፕሊዝ የራሷን ላይፍ ዴዚ መኖር ትፈልጋለች።
ማንም ያዛት
አንዴ ልጨርስና መናገር ትችያለሽ አይደል? ገና ከመጀመሪያ አፋፋት ላይ ምንድነው ያለችው? መኖር ትፈልጋለች። በራሷ ላይፍ የራሷን ህይወት መኖር ትፈልጋለች። ስለዚህ አሁን አፓርትመንት ልትከራይ ስትል አንቺ ምንድነው ያደረግሽው? ለዛ ሴትዮ ደውለሽ ትሬት ነው ያደረግሻል። ልጄን ትወስጂብኛለሽ፣ ኪድናፕ አደረግሽ ብዬ ደውዬ አስይዝሻለሁ ብለሻል አይደለም?
አላልኳትም። I have a voicemail that's a lie because the lady herself ደውላ ዴዚን እኔ I don't ሰብ ሊስ ነቻለች። ሰብ ሊስ ማድረግ አልችልም፣ ግን ስራው ክፍት ነው። ቮይስሜል አለኝ ክፍት ነው፣ ስራውን ትስራ ስትል ከዚህ 1 hour ማን ነው እየነዳት የሚሄደው? ኤቭሪ ዴይ ከባልቲሞር ዲሲ ማን ነው የሚመላለሰው? ለዛ አይነት ስራ ደግሞ እዚህ ቅርባችን ክሎስ አለ ብለን የተሰረዘው። አሁንም ቢሆን ሌላው ያላትን እኛውን እናገኝንለት። this is just a normal family issue ነው. What is the big deal?
Okay, the other big deal I will talk to you about የአንቺ እህት ልትሆን ወይም አክስቷ የእሷ አክስት አንቺ በጥሩ ዴዚን እያየሻት እንዳልሆነ በጥሩ እንዳልሆነ
ኦ ማይ ጋድ ኦኬ ዴዚ አክስት አጎት ዲፍረንሱን አታውቅም ዜማ የምትለውን ዘመዴ ነች አክስቴ ልጅ ትላለች ዜማን አይ ኔቨር ሲን ሄር ዜማ ዱርዬ ስምታበላሻት ልጅ እንደሆነች ነው የማውቀው ኦንላይን ሜላትን አይ ዶንት ኖ ሄር ሺ ኢዝ መስድ አፕ የሚያደርጉት ግን እህቶቼ አክስቶቼ እያለች ለህዝብ ትናገራለች that's not right
ኦኬ ከማን ጋር ነው አሁን የምትኖረው
100% my family my sisters brothers never talk to anyone on media they don't go on media they all work the government የሚሰሩት እንደዚህ አይነት ነገር ጊዜ የላቸውም I know you didn't talk so maybe she brought somebody የሆነ ሰው አቅርባለ እህቴነች አክስቴ
He's saying like that's not your aunt Daisy
She's not
No, Mariaman, Yoni Mariaman.
Who talked to him? Man.
Mariaman. I swear to God. I swear to God.
Tell me who talked to him. Give me the
I'm
name.
not going to tell you. No.
That's it. That's not true then. Why are you hiding?
I don't want to bring our family to the...
Oh, really? You
no.
already did. You already did, Daisy.
So, okay, let me ask
No, I mean our other family. That's
No,
right.
you already did.
አንዴ ልጠይቅሽ አንድ ነገር የእሷ የራሷን ላይፍ ለመምራት ምኑ ነው ለአንቺ የሚከብድሽ
She's my daughter. I don't want ማንም ዝምብ እንትን ባለጌ እናቷን የሚሰድብ ሀገር የሚሰድብ ዘር የሚያስተምራት that's not I worked for ዴዚን አገሯን ህዝቧን አክብራ እንድትኖር ራሷ ሰክሰስፉል ሆና እናቷንም እንድትጦር ህዝቡን እንድትጦር ነው አሳድጌ አድርጌ ያሳደኳት መጥፎ ሰው በያውም እኔ ዴዚን አላፈቅራትም አንተ ራስህ አይደለህም እንዴ ልታስቀርቀው ዴዚ ቢኮዝ
Can we stop talking?
I'm a good listener.
But this is not about love, though. This is not about love.
No.
Like,
Daisy, let her finish. It's okay. Let her talk.
Love is the problem. Because your love is what caused all this. Daisy, please listen. It's good for
Okay,
you.
let her talk, and I got an answer. Keep talking.
See, the guy himself. You were ሽማግሌ ሆነ ስታስታርቅ እንደማፈቅራትም እንደማሆነ ሽምግልና ገብታ አንተ ራስህ አንዴ ደና ተገላገልን ከሱ ስንል መልስ አስገናኝ አስታርቀሃቸዋል ልጁ እንደማያፈቅራት እንደ ዱርዬ እንደሆነ ያወቅ አስታረካቸው that's not right I didn't accept I mean appreciate that time በጣም አዝኜብህ ነበር ግን it's okay አንተ just media life ነው maybe temporary ነው ብለ ይሆናል ግን ልጁ ዴዚን አላፈቅራትም ላፈቅራትም አልችልም በህይወቴ ብሎ ዩቲዩብ ላይ ሰቅሎታል እኔ ፈልጌ እኔ እንትን ላይ ፖስት አድርገዋለሁ ዛሬ ህዝብ እንዲሰማው ማንኛው እናት ነው ያም ሲንግል ማም ሆኖ ያሳደጋት ልጅ ለእንደዚህ አይነት ሰው ሂጂ ጉርላክ ብሎ የሚሄደው እኔን እኮ ትላንት ወጥቶ ለአንድ አመት ያበላሻትን ትክሳስሽ ነው ምናምን ነገር አለ የት እሱ 5 months ago ኦንላይን ስክሪን ለብሶ ገብቶ መልኩን አሳምሮ አላናገራት ሴት አንድ አመት ሆነሽ ላደረገችና ዳይፐር ስላደረገች ነው ከሳሻት የሚለው እንደዚህ አይነት ደደብ ጭንቅላት የሌለው ሰው እንዴት ብለን ነው ልጅን ውሰድ የምትለው ያም ሌላ ሀገር ወስዶ ማትመለስበት ደረጃ ልትሆን የምትችልበት ጥገኛ የሚኖር አዳፕት ሆኖ የሚኖር ልጅ
You don't have to bring up his personal life.
የሰባተኛ ክፍል ተማሪ አንድ ነገር there's no one thing good thing እኔ እንደሱ ብዬ አክሴፕት አላደርግም ልጅ ከፈቀደች ግን ካፈቀረችው that's good I will support her still ሚስቴክም ቢሆን ሰርታ ቀበላታለሁ አሁንም ቢሆን እኮ next life ስትሄድም እኔ ባካፋ አላደርግም ሁሉም ነገ ይዘ next year ስትረሳ እሷ ብቻውን ስታለቅስ እኔ ነኝ መቀበላት እኔ ነኝ for the rest of her life እኔ ከማንኛውንም ሰው አፍቅራ ብትመጣ ደስታው ነው ደስታዬ ነው ጊዜዋ ነው አሁን ደግሞ ይዛቸዋት አትበል ከ18 ሆና መውጣት ትችል ነበር she knows what's good for her she knows what's the best for her she stay Daisy drives brand new 24 brand new car እየነዳች ነው last year ኢትዮጵያ ሄድ ነው ጋራጅ አቁመ ነው ምንም የጎደለባት ነገር የለም ልጅቷ ሃፒ ነች አንዳንዴ ጨውባታለሁ that's just ጥሩ ልጅ ለማሳደግ ዝም ብላ አይደለም it takes a lot of work ገርፈህም ቆንጥጠህም ስንት ነገር ነው አዲስ አበባ የምናድገው ተደብድበን ተገርፈን ምን ብለን ነው ትምህርት ቤት ጨርሰን የምንወጣው ምንማረው ፋሚሊ እሱንም ቢሆን ተመስገን ብለን እንደገና መጦር እንጀምራለን እሷ ገና የጮኩባትን የዛሬ 6 አመት 4 አመት ያመጣች እሱ ደግሞ አሁን በቅርብ ሲያነጋግራት wrong thing ምለ ብዙ ነገር ማውራት አልፈልግም ነገሩ that moment እሱ እየቀረጸ ነበር ድምጼን እሱ እሱም የሚወዳት ከሆነ እንደዛ አይነት ነገር ለምን ይሰጣት ኤክስፖዝ ያደርጋታል ሚዲያ ላይ? ለምንስ እኔን ቴክስት እያደረገ ቮይስ እየላከ አንቺ ባለጌ፣ አንቺ አሮጊት ልጅሽ ነው ስጄ እንዳድርጌ ለአማራ ወረውራታለሁ፣ ኦሮሞን ገና እንደፋዋለን ምናምን። እንደዚህ አይነት ሰው እንዴት ነው ልጅን ጎፎርት ምላት እንዴ? ምነካ? I just want the best for my daughter. That's it. አሁንም ቢሆን ነገም አለቅም። I'm gonna go look after her. እስከመሞት ድረስ I'll take care of you, Daisy, until I die. You know I love you. I know you're in love. And you know, I understand you're in the age where we've been through that. But I don't want you to make a mistake in the worst place because you may never survive. Sometimes.
No.
Daisy?
No. If you don't want to be completely honest with people, I don't think you should talk. I mean, if you don't want to say what you did as well, then, you know, like I
have a right to do anything I want.
Okay. That's good. That's fine.
Daisy, it's okay. Take your time. If you love him, it's your choice. I will support you, but do it the right way. Not like you just saw him 5 months on the screen, TikTok. You don't risk your entire life to go see him.
Okay, Gin, Mom, listen, this is not about Jinjana or Fikr. I want freedom, that's all I'm saying. Like this is this we should stop making this about relationship. Okay. It's not.
Daisy, you know I work even last year. Let's forget about everything. Last year when you were 1 year we were in Ethiopia, but the year before that you were 19. I was working 2 jobs. You're open 24 hours. You have a car. You have the entire home. You could have done anything. Why wouldn't you run away then if nothing is good for you?
What do you mean?
It's not like
she was saying that she was working 2 jobs.
Yeah.
You were at home by yourself.
Yeah, I'm just doing social media.
She said, if you want to run away, why don't you do it at the time?
I did not run away. I mean, the thing is, yes, I ran away, but that's my decision. Again, it's my decision.
She has no reason. Okay, so what I was saying is...
አንዴ ቲና ተረድቼሻለሁ። ሀት ሆነሽ የመጣሽበት ነገር ብዙ ሰዎች አማክረውሽ ሊሆን ይችላሉ። እኔ ግን አንቺን ስከላከል ነበር ልንገርሽ።
I have so many requests.
ገባኝ። እኔ ይኸውልሽ እኔ አንቺን እዚህ ሆኜ ስከላከል ነበር። እናቷን ዲስስፔክት እያደረገ ልጇን ማፍቀር አይችልም እያሉ ስከራከርልሽ ነበር። ሳትሰሚ ነው የመጣሽው። ገባሽ? ሀት ሆነሽ የመጣሽው ሌላ ነገር ብለው ነው። አሁን ልክ ነሽ። አሁን እንደማለት አንዴ አዳመጥኩሽ አይደል እንዴ? አዳምጪኛ። the entire times አዳምጥሽ ነበር። እንደ እናት ያሰብሽው አሁን የምትይው ነገር ስህተት የለው። ስህተት አላየሁበትም። አሁን የምትይው ጥሩ ነገር ነው የምትመኝላት፣ ጥሩ ነገር ነው የምታደርግላት። የስ ይሄን እስማማል። 2024 do you have a car? 2024 ቆይ ዴዚን ነው የምጠይቃት። አንዴ ቲና do you have a car? 2024 brand new
2024 car? Yes, I did. Yeah, I did. Oh, yeah.
Okay, you do have that. So one thing I don't understand, some of the other people saying that she makes you starve to death. That's what they were saying.
Listen, this is people like...
She didn't say, Daisy didn't say that. But the other people were saying that Daisy was starving to death, but you drive in 2024 a brand new car.
And let me add something for you, Daisy. You know this is the honest in God's name. You know you have a cross on your neck, and there is a reason for that. You don't lie. Daisy, she eats like even very best diet. Like the fridge is full of organic food, the drink, everything selective. I work very little job, but it takes like almost 24 hours overnight, and then I come back 1 hour and I get ready. I go back another 10 hours, 11. That's how I lived for almost. So,
okay, did I deny that?
No.
I'm sorry.
Did I deny that? That's what I'm saying. What does this have to like?
No, let me ask you, Daisy. Is your mom a hard worker?
Yes, she is. Yeah.
Okay. If she's a hard worker, what she does that for? For you and her, right?
Well, yeah, yes, yeah, of course.
Okay, that's the case. The reason you guys are here because of this man, right?
No, it's not. It's not just about him. This isn't just about like love. Like It's not.
Because there was
It's 'cause I
no
had no
problem
freedom.
before that, though.
I had no freedom.
Freedom?
What's freedom?
Mom, I had no freedom.
Okay, I think okay. One thing.
No freedom? Explain freedom to me. Explain freedom.
I mean, Mom, I respect you, but you have to understand
but.
you are forcing me to do social media.
Let her talk. Tina, please let her talk.
Yes.
Let Daisy talk, okay? Just listen to her for a minute. I'm gonna mute you for a second, okay? Let her talk.
Let me just say I'm the one. I'll say I'm the one. Yeah, I started getting known on TikTok. Like, you know, the side Ayajibo, like I started getting known on TikTok, right?
Mm-hmm.
So yeah, I asked my mom, yeah, let's go to Ethiopia. Maybe I could do business, you know, things like that. We stayed there 7 months. After 7 months, I was depressed. I was not okay. I didn't want to do social media anymore. Like I was physically tired of it, and I was begging my mom. I said, can we go back? Can I go back to school? Can I do this? She said, and Mom, you know I respect you, but you told me I need to be rich and famous, have money for college, like, you know, I need that things, and then I go back to school. So as a 20-year-old, yeah, I came back by myself, and I have the right to.
But the first thing is what I'm gonna ask you. You ask your mom to go to Ethiopia with her. You want to do YouTube. You want to be famous, right? You are the one.
Like, no, because we go as vacation sometimes. Like, we went 2023. We went 20. Like, we.
Yeah, I understand. But as you say now, from what you said, you told us, you want to go to Ethiopia. You want to do YouTube. You want to do social media. You want to be famous. And your mom supports you with that. She went with you.
Yeah.
You become famous. Now you get bored. You change your mind.
Well, yeah,
right?
because I wanted to focus on school. That's why.
I understand, but the first thing she was saying that before you got famous, she wanted that for you, right? She wants you to focus
she's
on
always
school,
wanted that
right?
for me.
But to change your mind. Every time you change your mind, she doesn't have to accept sometimes. She gotta say something about it, right?
Well, yeah, but so what? Like, so you're saying that I should have stayed there, or what?
No, you guys should talk about. I know you begged her. But the first he said that I want to be famous. I want to make money. I want to do my own thing. So she fulfilled your dream. She went with you. You start that. You get bored. You are the one get bored, not her. She was following what you said. Now you change your mind, and she has to do that again. So she has to rethink what you said. She has to start again.
Yeah, but I have that right as an adult. Like, if I want to come back and go back to school, I can. Like, you know, that's
That's that. But you should be like, I apologize, Mom. I'm sorry. I told this what my future was. Unfortunately, I don't want this no more. I want to do school, but I apologize. That should count because she followed.
No, I am sorry.
You know what I mean? Tina, she said, I'm sorry for that. Do you accept her apology for it? Tina, ይቅርታ እያለችሽ ነው። አንሚዩት አድርጊው። ክሊክ ስታደርጊው የሚዩቱን በተን ክሊክ አድርጊው። ማይክሮፎን የሚለው አንሚዩት ያደርግሻል። ፕሮፋይልሽን ክሊክ አድርጊው። ኦኬ ይቅርታ፣ ያንን ማድረግ አልነበረብኝም እያለች ነው።
Okay, so what happened is just a couple things to go back clear ለማድረግ እቺ ሜላት የሚሉት ብዙ ነገር እየተረጎመች ውሸት ታወራለች። በጣም እሷ ነች ቢያበላሽቻት። I think wrong interpreter ቀጥራለች ይዛለች እና ያላለችውን እየቀጠለች ታወራለች እና ያ ስለምግቡ ዴዚ ቅድም ስትጠይቃት I have not ፍሪጁ ሙሉ ነው 24/7 she eats a good meal ምናምን እያልኩ ስል አንተ እና ምግብ የለም ምናምን ስትላት I have not denied that አለች። አየህ እሱን አላለችም። that's clear ያደርጋ አሁን ምግብ ችግር የለም ማለት ነው።
you don't have food problem, right?
ሰውነቷንም ተመልከት።
you can tell about her body too, of course. የተራበች ልጅ አትመስልም።
She goes to gym every day to lose, even to watch her diet. She perfect. Daisy has no issue. I think, believe me, go get married ብላት እሱን ነው መሰለኝ ፍሪደም ፈልገው የምትለው።
አይ ሲ ኦኬ that part እሱን እናጥራው።
I think እሱ ነው
ምን እናደርግ መሰለሽ። ቆይ ቲና I know የእናት ፍራስትሬሽን አሁን አንደርስታንድ አድርጌያለሁ። መጀመሪያ ሚስ አንደርስቱድ ተደራርገናል። ግን አሁን ባለው ነገር ምነግርሽ ምንድን ነው አሁን ምን ማድረግ ይቻላል?
እሷ
ያንቺ እንደ እናት ከአንቺ ነው መስማት የምፈልገውና ያንቺን ነገር ሰምቼ ሌላ ነገር ማድረግ አለ።
እሺ እሱን ከመመለሴ በፊት 30 ሰከንድ ስለ ትምህርቷ እና ኢትዮጵያ ስንሄድ እኔ I didn't know she wanted to go so bad so I left with her and then እዛ ስንደርስ I didn't know already famous ሆናለች። እና our plan was እዛ ስንደርስ ሙዚቃ ቀርጸን 3 ዘፈን ቀርጸን ተመልሰን መተን ቶር ልናደርግ ነበረ US ውስጥ US ፕላናችን እሱ that was the plan Daisy the reason I'm speaking English is for you most hopefully ብዙዎቻችሁ የምትመለከቱ 23000 ሰዎች I hope
ለኛ ነገሪንና ከዛ እኔ ነግራታለሁ don't worry ለሌሎች
እና so planaችን there was only record song and they come back here because I knew already the US ውስጥ famous ሆናለች እና በቃ ብዙ ኢትዮጵያን ኮሚኒቲ ሲጠይቀኝ ስለነበር ሄደን ዘፈን ቀርተን መተን ቶር ልናደርግ ነበር ፕላን እዛ ስንደርስ unexpected እንትን ደረሰኝ ኤርፖርት ሁሉ ምድረ ማን እንደነገራቸው አይደል ምድረ ካሜራ ፓፓራሲው ምኑ እየተከተሉን በቃ እንትኑ በዛ እና የኛን እንትን ብዙ ሰው ደግሞ ኮንታክት እያደረገኝ አድቨርታይዝመንት ምናምን ሲሉ እኔ ደግሞ ኦኬ ሌትስ ሆልድ ኦን ዘ ሙዚቃን ሆልድ እናድርገውና ሞር አዲስ አበባ ውስጥ እንትን ትሁን ፖፑላር ከሆነች ይጠቅመናል ብዬ እሱ ላይ አተኮርን እና a few months wasted እና Daisy 3 months የተባለው it turned out to be like by the time we started recording the music it was like 6 months passed by already 6 ወር አልፏል መዘፈኑ ስንጀምር እና እሷ by that time she's already fed up with everything to famousነቱን አሰለቻት ብትሄድ ሁሉም ሰው አይወዳትም አንዳንድ ሰው ይሳደባል አንዳንድ ደግሞ ከሷ ጋር ፎቶ ለመንሳት ወንበር ይወረውርባታል ይመታታል መኪና ሁሉ አልፈው ሄደው ተመልሳ መታ የገጨቻት ሴትዮዋለች እና በጣም ዴዚ ተናዳ እንክሰስ ምናምን ነው ከዚያ ሀገር ማንን ከሰሰው ልንረዳ መተን እንደገና እንዴት doesn't make sense ላታል እንደዚህ 2-3 times በየሬስቶራንት ሁሉ ሊመርዛት ብዙ ጊዜ ብርጭቆ ውስጥ ጠርሙስ ከተ ይሰጣታል ምናምን እና she said mom what are you waiting for they trying to poison me wrong people ምናምን ስትል okay ካም በኋላ ጥሩ ቦታ እየሄድን እንበላለን እና ምናምንበት እሱ ነው እኔ ራሴ I'm learning to be famous I didn't know what to do እንደዚህ አይነት ነገር ውስጥ ገብቻ አላውቅም
ትክክል
እንደውም thanks to መንሱር እሱ ብዙ ነገር እነሱ አንዳንድ ታዋቂ ሰዎች ረድተውን እነሞን ቤታቸው ያበሰሉ የጠሩ እንደሱ ነው ሞር ኢንጆይ ያደረገች ሴፍ የሆነችው እና ከዛ ላስት ሚኒት ላይ I told her be patient we're gonna go but የመጣንበት አላማ ዘፈኑን መቅረጽ ነው
እሱን እኮ ብያለሁ
ያ ኦሮምኛው አለቀ አማርኛው እና ትግሬኛውን እየሰራን እኔ ፕሮዲዩሰሮች ምኖች እየተነጋገርን ሳለን አንድ ቀን መለሳለኝ she's gone she was gone like that gone baby
okay mom now what everybody wants is peace I want peace right you want it too
peace. Don't worry we will be fine you know
so
Tina what can we do what is the solution let me ask you mom wait Daisy ምንድነው solution የምትይው
Daisy I know you want to be married I think is that what it is I want clear argument
I'm 20 years old
okay then what do you want from me you tell me and me I think
I want your mom is asking Daisy your mom is asking
okay number one like I want him to apologize he will apologize to you can he if I bring him up can he apologize to you
He apologized many times and the next day አንቻሮጊት ገና ልጅሽ እንዲያርገ ልካታለ
Yeah mom
I don't know yes apologize doesn't mean anything
mom God forgives everybody right
it's not about that but my thing is Daisy let me tell you something no it doesn't matter he should not disrespect you mom
okay Ishi we understand that we've said that this entire life
okay let me ask you did he say it one time or he did it again and again Tell me.
I don't know what happened. I don't know what happens between her and him. I know she says things to him. He says things to her. She says, "Oh, he did this with his sister." He says this to her. This. It's both of them. It's both of them. Listen, Mom. Listen. Can I talk, please, Mom? Please.
Okay, let her talk, Tina, for 1 minute, please.
It's like, I know you're my mom. You should never be disrespected by anyone.
Thank you.
For social media, I don't know these people. I don't know who says things to you. That's not my problem. I can't control people say things to me, but I know it's not your fault. But I'm saying, yes, I know you guys said like things to each other. You said this, you reported him to this, he did this to you. Both of you guys are like this. So I want him to apologize to you. So I'm asking you, can he come up and apologize to you?
Is this a friendship or a marriage plan?
It does not matter.
No, it does matter. If he's gonna be
As a mother, it matters, Daisy. It does matter. That's your mother. It matters to her.
Yeah, if it is just friendship, immediate friendship,
She's
go
a
ahead.
mother. Absolutely, she need to know.
Yeah, if it is a marriage, it's not only me. የኢትዮጵያ ሕዝብ ማወቅ ይፈልጋል. People want to know.
Nobody's married. Mom, I'm not married.
As a mother.
I'm not married. I'm not married. I don't know why we're talking about marriage. I'm not married.
You're on that road, and I want you to focus on getting to know a better person, or take time to look. You saw him on the screen. There are many TikTokers you saw, and when we went.
Okay, why don't you like him again? Sorry.
It doesn't matter.
Like before, before the everything that happened. Why don't you like him?
ብዙ ነገር አጻፊ ከስር ምንም የሚጠቅም
Yeah, please, Melat, please don't say anything to my mom from now on,
Can you
please.
tell Melat to stop writing?
Okay.
የማይረባ ነገር አጻፊ ምንድነው
Focus on me.
የምትጠቀሚው?
It's my
ያንቺ ልጅ አይደለች አይደል እንዴ? ምንድነው በዚህ ደረጃ ያዙኝ ልቀቁኝ የምትይው? ሜላት that's not right. በእናትና በልጅ መካከልማ መግባት የለብሽም ሜላት። እንዴ ይደብራል እኮ የምትጽፊውን ነገር ሺህ ጊዜ ላልፍሽ ሞከርኩ። በእናትና በልጅ መካከል አንቺ ምን ይመለከትሻል?
Please stop disrespecting.
ለመስደብ ብዙ ነገር የምታረጊው ኧረ አይነፋም። ኖ ብሎክ እንዳታረጓል ሞዴሬተር ብሎክ እንዳታረጓል። ግን ሜላት በዚህ ነገር መግባት የለብሽም። የሚመለከት እናትና ልጅ ናቸው። እናትና ልጅ ይነጋገር። አንቺ ገብተሽ ከነሱ በላይ አውቃለሁ ማለት that's not right.
Yes, yeah, she's not right. Okay.
የዴዚን ባንክ አካውንት ወደዛ አዙራለች እሷ ሴትዮ። በእሱን ተበሳጭታ ነው ጉዳት አውቆባት ነው ባለ
Mom.
Okay.
Daisy, okay, promise me if you want me to accept him, don't travel sometime soon. You planning to go? That I have a problem with that. ኢትዮጵያ ሕዝብ እዚህ ያደረሱሽ እነሱ ናቸው። እሱ ኢትዮጵያን ሕዝብ እንድትጠይ ነው ያደረገው። ኢትዮጵያ እኔ ዴዚ ከኔ ጋር እስከሆነች ድረስ ኤርትራ፣ ኦሮሞ፣ ጉራጌ፣ ትግራይ ብላ አታውቅም። ሁሉንም ኢትዮጵያ ብላ ነው። ከሱ ጋር መጀመር ስትጀምር ቀኑ ሙሉ ስልክ ላይ ያውላታል መሰለኝ። ኢትዮጵያ እንድትጠላ አደረጋት። የኢትዮጵያ ዘፈን እንዳዘፍኝ አላት፣ ኦሮሞ እንዳዘፍኝ አላት እና በሙሉ ዲሊት አደረገው። ዘፈኗን ሁሉ አስቀራት። ዘፈን አልፈልግም ማለት
ቆይ ምን አረግ መሰለሽ እናቷን ቆይ ቲና ያለችው እውነት መሆኑና አለመሆኑን ፔጇ ላይ የዴዚ ፔጅ ላይ ገባና የአማርኛ ዘፈኖች የምን ዘፈኖች ከጠፉ የኦሮምኛ ዘፈኖች ምናምን የጉራጌኛ ከጠፉ we got a problem. Daisy, what I'm saying is, I'm going to check on your page. Tina, Andy, I'm going to check on your page. If you delete Amharic music, if you delete Oromo music, if you delete Gurago music, then there's an issue. He's doomed.
Wait,
what are you guys talking about? I don't understand. Like, this is, I asked a question. I said, can he come up and apologize? I don't know what we're talking about, tribes and stuff. I don't understand.
What she was saying.
Mom, listen, can we
wait for a minute. Tina, wait for a minute. Let me explain to Daisy. Daisy, after she's with him, she used to love all Ethiopian with no differences. Your mom said that. She used to love Ethiopia with no differences. She play all kind of music. She get along with everybody. Once she start with him, he is not doing any kind of other music. Don't get along with a lot of them, except his own. That's what she was saying.
No, I want to just say something. See, this is that's a lie.
Okay.
Because I remember, like, see, I don't want to expose my mother to, like,
That's the truth, Daisy.
Okay.
listen. I don't need to. I don't need to.
Go check her. Hold on, Daisy. Go check her TikTok, and then he deleted everything. He has a control of that.
Let me check. I'm gonna check real quick. Give me 1
The
second.
YouTube account, she has no access on that. She lost that access.
Okay.
But I'm talking about
I'm gonna
So
do
can
it right
I
here.
bring him up so he can apologize to you? That's my question.
No, it's not about the
what?
first. We gotta fix something real quick before he come up.
Yeah.
Give me 1 second.
I mean, these
No,
are
no,
just
no, no, no.
lies, and I don't want to expose my mother.
want
Like, I don't want to say anything more about my mom. Like,
No, it's not
it will
about
just be.
Daisy. You are not listening to me, please. Let
What?
me check something real quick, and I'll let you know. I will understand what you were talking about. Don't worry about it. I'm gonna check everything here real quick.
Yeah,
You used to play with Amharic music. You used to play with
Yep.
Oromiya music. You used to play with.
What does that matter? If someone
What?
wants to use Tigrinya music, go play that. Like, what are we talking about? This is.
Wait, can you listen for a minute? Let me check. No, this is Amarinya. ይኸውልሽ ቲና አንዴ ልንገርሽ። ይኸውልሽ this is Amarinya.
one.
በጎንደር ነው በጎንደር ነው የምጨፍረው። አንድ ድልት ተደርጓል ብለሻል። አንዴ
እሱን አይደለም ቲክታክ አድርገው።
ይሄ ደግሞ ሌላ ሚውዚክ ነው። አንዴ ቆይ ቲና አንዴ ፕሊዝ። ይሄ አማርኛ ነው። ቆይ አንዴ ፕሊዝ። ያልሽውን ነገር እዚሁ መነጋገር ስላለብን ነው።
No, you're doing a wrong thing. That's not what it is.
This is what you said, right?
No, listen, that's you to the TikTok account.
ይሄ አማርኛ አይደለም።
Listen again. You're taking a wrong thing. እሱን አይደለም የምናወራው። እሱ ድሮ የተቀረጸ ነው ከኔ በፊት።
No, it's not.
Okay, listen. ቲክታክ አካውንቷን ቼክ ካደረግ ብዙ ሰዎች ስንት መቶ ሺህ ብር የከፈሉበት አድቨርታይዝመንት ገብቶ ዲሊት አድርጎታል። እሱን ጠይቃት። why she deleted it?
Okay, I'm gonna ask you, Daisy. He deleted the one you promoted with other ones. A lot of views you have. He deleted some of your music, right?
What happened?
Who deleted my music? What?
No. The advertisements on your TikTok, what happened to them?
Does this have to do what? So if I
Can you answer
like this is
directly, please? Daisy, can you answer directly, please?
yes, I will. Yeah.
Okay, she's
So
asking
you're
a
asking
question.
me.
Okay, let me ask you. There is an advertisement you did,
Yes.
and you
Yeah.
posted on your TikTok.
Yeah.
What happened to those videos? Can you explain that, please?
There was two advertisement videos. Yes, I deleted it because I didn't.
Tina, can you stop, please? Wait, let her answer.
Okay.
Thank you. Go ahead.
There was two. Like, I don't know why this is getting brought up. Like, it has nothing to do with
answer
anything.
the
But
question, please.
okay, there was two advertisements on my TikTok for like two business promotions by Ethiopia. I deleted it because I didn't like the way I looked in them. Why does anybody care?
I mean, they paid for you, right?
No. We posted them on YouTube. Like, we did a lot of things for them. They were on YouTube
But
as
did
well.
you get paid
We didn't have to post them on YouTube. We posted them on YouTube. They were on my page for like a month, like a month. It was on my, I didn't post it like back to back and then delete it. I didn't do that. No.
Daisy, the point is, does he have access to your account? Is he the
Yes,
one
he does
making you
have an
I'm
delete
the one
it?
who deleted it. I deleted it. Me.
So he didn't tell you to delete, like any of your
Wayne, what
videos?
is this Wishatam? Like, this is... No, because I'm really about to expose... Like, I don't want to expose her, but like, it's...
So how does she know then? I mean, the way you look, you posted for a month.
She's lying. She's a liar. Period. The whole family knows she's a liar. It's like, come on. She told you I take medication yesterday. Is that right?
Mm-hmm.
Why'd she tell you that?
You ask her. She told me that. That's
Mom,
why.
why did you tell him that I take medication? Why'd you tell him that when that's a lie? Why'd you tell him that? Why'd you take my passport yesterday? Why are you stalking me? Yes, you're my mom, but you need to chill. I deleted my post. Why do you guys care if I delete something on my profile? What does that have to do with any of you? My mom does not like Alex because he's Tigray. That's it. She doesn't care. She said, oh yeah, go marry, go date someone, go out with some boys in America. Why do I care about political things? Why? Love is love. That's my mom. I respect her. I want her to be in peace with him. I don't want tribal conflicts. My mom damaged me. This whole life, like this whole entire life, I'm trying to keep my mouth shut because I'm trying to have respect for her. But when I'm just looking stupid, I'm looking stupid in front of all these people. Like what? Come on. It's not right. It's not right. Yes, she's my mother. Yes, everyone needs to respect her. Nobody needs to talk about my mom on social media. Everyone, even the people. I swear to God.
If you got any problem with Tigray people, I understand. I understand. You got every right.
Yes, I understand. Politics, I understand. Okay, I understand there's so much things that I don't understand. I didn't grow up around it, that I didn't lose anybody. I totally understand that. But I don't have to have that same mindset, period. I don't have to, and I don't care what anybody says.
Okay,
I don't.
So, Tina, can you unmute?